Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Waynesboro, long distance movers near me. We can assist you in relocating your possessions locally, nationwide, or interstate at 3Movers. We have a good working relationship with the federal and local authorities who oversee the entire relocation procedure. Our insurance policies were created to protect our customers by covering risk liabilities both during and after the relocation procedure. We have a staff of dedicated movers and drivers who are committed to safely delivering your items to your final destination. You won't be overcharged for any of the items or services we provide because we are reasonably priced. It is less expensive to move your belongings locally than it is to move them long distances. We have the most affordable rates, with local moves costing between $30 and $40 per hour. Our movers are licensed and dedicated to providing you with the best value for your money. We have worked in congested cities and places to go, so getting your belongings to you won't be a problem. With the assistance of our local movers, you can also plan out the relocation process. You can ask for reviews on our work to learn more about the services we provide and how we've performed. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Waynesboro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.